Oh, hey, buddy. What's up? I know you're thinking, Gerald, why you got this ferret in your video? Wait, well, ferret? That ain't a ferret. It's all because of this guy. Okay. Yep. Jeff, you do realize that that's not a ferret, right? Shh. Be quiet. Don't shush me. Okay, so anyway, that was not a ferret. Charlie Mack announced the Jeff's Model Garage Group Appreciation Bill. Skunk is, right? And you know, Jeff is a good guy, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump in on that. And I'm gonna choose this kid right here. Choose the two. What's wrong with you? Now, I've been sitting on this kit for a little while. I've opened it, took it out of the plastic, but I haven't started anything. So, you know, it's basically a brand new kit. Why you keep showing the box? Yeah, here's the box. We get it. It's a box. Good old box. Open the box. Yep. Thank you. Now, right off the bat, I guess this is like a kit review. Man, just save all that for the next video. This is about Jeff. You are absolutely right. I am? But eventually, I will talk about this car. Yeah. That's right. So, Jeff, thanks for all you do. We appreciate you. Yeah, we appreciate it. And not the skunks, though. I'm gonna go ahead and hook this car up. And as always, what are you doing? Huh? That's not the end. But I thought. Wait. And as always.